DS diving service here. It is February 22nd. We are at the vessel Namaste at the Florida Yacht Club. Get ready to clean her up. I swam her. She's got some barnacles on the keel, some slime and hair everywhere. Your max prop sink is going to need to be replaced. It's pretty dirty today, but let's take a look before I get started. She doesn't appear to have a bow thruster, but when I clean her, maybe I'll come across one. If there is one, I will come across it. Clean up.